Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5014023. So whenever you try to install this update on your Windows 10 computer, if you're facing any kind of issue, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now click on update and security, and then click on troubleshoot. Click on additional troubleshooters, click on Windows update, and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again. Now the next step is to use Windows 10 update assistant. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see update assistant. Click on update now. Now this will download this Windows 10 upgrade assistant. Click on it, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 10 update assistant. It will check for update. If there is any pending update, click on install and update your Windows 10 using update assistant. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case, reset Windows update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy it till here. Now open Notepad on your computer. Paste all the command over here. Go to file, then click on save as. Name this file as wuauserv.bat. Set the location as desktop. Name it as wuauserv.bat. For save as type, select all files and then click on save. Now go to desktop. Make a right click on wuauserv.bat. and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now this will open command prompt. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update services, and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time, and once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows update services. And once this is complete, it will close itself and then restart your computer. So this process will take some time. Now once this is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart, update your Windows 10 once again. Now if still you are facing the problem, in that case you can use media creation tool to update your Windows 10.
Go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer.
So one of the steps should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 10 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.